Have you ever dreamed of picking fresh fruits right from your backyard? In this video, we'll show you how to start a fruit garden from scratch. No experience needed. Start by finding a sunny spot. Most fruit plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Make sure the soil drains well and is rich in nutrients. Choose fruits that grow best in your climate. Strawberries, blueberries, and apples are great for beginners. You can start with seedlings or even containers. Healthy soil means healthy plants. Add organic compost or manure to enrich your garden bed. Avoid using chemical fertilizers at the beginning. Dig holes slightly bigger than the root balls. Place the plants carefully and water them thoroughly after planting. Water regularly, but don't overwater. Use mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Keep an eye out for pests and prune regularly for better growth. After a few months, your efforts will pay off with fresh, organic fruits from your own garden. Enjoy the taste of your hard work. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips.